Optical cable installation. A quick guide to pole bracket attachment. Today, we're breaking down the process of attaching an optical cable to a pole bracket in a quick and easy-to-follow guide. Start by threading the paperclip lock through a steel bandage tape. This assembly will be the foundation for securing your optical cable to the pole bracket. Next, we employ a banding tool for fixation. This tool is instrumental in ensuring a tight and secure connection between the steel bandage tape and the pole bracket. A firm grip and proper tension are key at this stage. Once the banding tool has done its job, we proceed to the final fastening step. Using a hammer, we ensure that the connection is not only tight, but also resilient, capable of withstanding various environmental conditions. The guy grip comes into play in the next step. It is strategically crossed into the groove of the pole bracket. This creates a stable foundation for the optical cable installation. With the guy grip in place, it's time to wrap it securely around the optical cables. This step guarantees that the cables are held in position, preventing any unintended movement or damage. There you have it. In just a few simple steps using the paperclip, steel bandage tape, banding tool, and guy grip, your optical cable is securely attached to the pole bracket. Now, you're ready to tackle the next one in your installation journey. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy installing.